Okay. See, good afternoon to one and all. In the previous lecture of electrical machine first, we have discussed regarding different types of connection. So, in case of different types of connection, we have discussed according to the clock convention. There are different types of connection like delta delta connection, star delta connection, delta star connection, and star delta connection. Again, in that connection, if there are phase displacement between LV winding and HV winding is there. So if the phase displacement between LV and HV, if it is 0 degree, then we can represent like a delta delta 0, or it may be star star 0. Similarly, if the phase displacement between LV and HV, it is nothing but 180 degree, then we can represent that phase displacement, it is nothing but it is 180 degree, and we are representing this phase displacement like 6. Okay, then again there are two vector groups, like phase displacement between that two is nothing but plus 30 degree and minus 30 degree. That means it is a leading phase displacement and lagging phase displacement, so that we are representing either 11 or 1. For lagging phase displacement we are using 1, and for leading phase displacement we are using 11. Okay, so these types of connection we have already discussed in the previous one lecture. Now today we will discuss the next one important type of connection, that is open delta, or we can call it as a VV connection. Open delta or VV connection, it is one important question, that is open delta. What is mean by open delta? And whether there is a power sharing, it will be occur if the transformer it will be acted on open delta. And VV is nothing but the shape of that connection, it will be like as a V shape, so that we can call it as a VV connection also. Open delta किंवा त्याला आपण VV connection पण म्हणतो. See, in a delta delta bank, that means in a delta delta connected transformer, suppose the primary of the transformer it can be connected in delta, and the secondary of the transformer it can be also connected in delta. So see, suppose I will draw here winding. Suppose this one is the one delta connected transformer, this is the primary winding of the transformer of each phase. This one is the primary winding of R phase, Y phase, and B phase. Similarly, delta delta connection, that means primary of the transformer it can be connected in delta, and also the secondary of the transformer it is also connected in delta. Transformer ची secondary जी आहे, this secondary it is also connected in delta. That means while connecting the secondary, if we are connected, it is in the delta, so it is nothing but delta delta transformer, right? No, हा कोणता transformer झाला? So this transformer it is nothing but delta delta transformer. See, I will draw here delta connection. Secondary of the transformer it is connected in delta. Suppose this is R phase, Y phase, we are representing small R, Y, and B phase. See, if the delta delta transformer is there, so primary of the transformer it is connected in delta, secondary of the transformer it is also connected in delta, so we can call it as a delta delta bank, right? No, delta delta bank. So if such a transformer it can be constructed by either using a 3 single phase transformer, or we can manufacture only one 3-phase transformer by combining winding and core आणि winding combine करून आपण एकच 3-phase transformer construct करू शकतो, किंवा 3 single phase transformer separate use करून आपण, or bank of 3 single phase transformer combining we make a 1 3-phase transformer. See, what is delta delta, what is open delta and what is mean by VV, that I am telling. See, if any one of the winding of that transformer it may get burn, एखादी winding transformer ची काय झाली, burn झाली, right? No, burn झाली किंवा burst झाली. Suppose consider any one of the winding of that transformer it get burned. Suppose this winding of the transformer it will be get, okay, burn, or any one of the winding. In 3 winding, if any one of the winding it will burn, or it may be it will open circuited, then the transformer shape it will be like as a V shape, right? No, so see, if the any one of the winding or the in a 3 single phase transformer bank, one transformer it will be damaged. That means other 2 winding or the other 2 transformer it will be in the on line condition, or it may be it is on the working condition. At that situation, this bank or this transformer it will be transfer a power by VV connection, or it may be in open delta condition. एक वाइंडिंग काय झाली, ओपन झाली, एक वाइंडिंग ओपन झाली म्हणजे 3 फेज मधल्या किंवा 3 वाइंडिंग मधली एक वाइंडिंग ओपन झाली. सो दॅट मीन्स इट इज लाईक ॲज अ ओपन डेल्टा. डेल्टा काय झाला, क्लोज्ड डेल्टा जो आहे त्याच्यामधला एक वाइंडिंग ओपन झाली, सो दॅट इट इज लाईक ॲज अ ओपन डेल्टा, राईट? नो, सो दॅट मीन्स इट इज द ओपन delta, or we can call it as a shape of that is nothing but VV shape, so that we can call it as a VV connection. Okay, see, if any one of the winding of that transformer it will be burned, or it may be open circuited, whether this transformer it is able to share the load, or it may be it is able to give the power to the load. What your answer? Whether this transformer it is able to share the load, or it is able to continue load which is on connected on that of transformer bank. What is your opinion?
Yes.
It is continue. Just put in chat box whether it is this open circuited bank, whether it is feeding power to the load, or it may be the total continuity of the supply it can be interrupted. Supply ची continuity totally interrupt होईल, or continuity of the supply whether it is interrupted, or the transformer bank it is carry the load, whether it is same load or it may be different load. Load carry करेल का?
No sir.
करेल, म्हणजे सप्लाय ची कंटिन्युटी राहील. व्हॉट अबाउट लोड? किती लोड कॅरी करेल का? टोटल लोड जो आहे तो कॅरी करेल? लेस लोड. Okay, see, we will derive that how much amount of load the transformer it will be carry. But all of you understand, if the transformer it is open circuited, that means any one of the winding of the transformer it is open circuited, then transformer it will be able to carry a somewhat load. That means it will make a continuity of supply. There is a not totally shut down, but it will be make a continuity of supply. Supply ची जी काही कंटिन्युटी असेल ती सप्लाय ची कंटिन्युटी राहील. ओके, but how much load it will carry we will prove that. Okay, see, as seen previously in the connection 3 single phase transformer, that if that means if 3 single phase transformer it will be connected and we make a 1 3 phase transformer, at that situation any one of the transformer in a 3 phase bank it is unable to operate, or it is a damaged, or it can be it is open circuited, then the supply to the load can be continued. Okay, so काय load चा supply असेल, this supply it can be continued with the help of remaining 2 transformer. जे काय राहिलेले 2 वाइंडिंग आहेत किंवा राहिलेले जे काही 2 ट्रान्सफॉर्मर असतील, these 2 transformer बघा, सपोज आय एम ड्रॉइंग इट इज डेल्टा, हा डेल्टा आहे आणि याच्यामधली एक वाइंडिंग ओपन झालेली आहे. सपोज दिस वाइंडिंग इट विल बी ओपन सर्किटेड, सो दिस कनेक्शन इट विल बी लाइक एज अ V shape, or it may be VV type connection. This other 2 transformer it will make a continuity of the supply to the load. That means remaining 2 transformer it will give the supply to that of load. That means it is make a continuity of the supply. Okay, and the cost of reduce the efficiency, but at that situation the efficiency it will be reduces. Okay, efficiency काय will reduce होईल, जो सपोज तो 3 वाइंडिंग ज्या वेळेस प्रेझेंट होता at that situation, suppose it will provide a 80% efficiency. When one winding it will be open circuited, remaining 2 winding transformer, or it may be remaining 2 single phase transformer, it will carry a load, it will make a continuity of supply but having an reduced efficiency काय will reduce. The connection that obtained is called as VV connection or open delta connection. आता हे जे काही connection मिळेल, एखादा transformer will not able to operate, or any one of the transformer it is not operating, or it is burned, or it may be winding, it may be open circuited. So another 2 transformer it will make a continuity of the supply, and this connection it will be known as a VV connection, or it may be open delta connection. Okay, open delta connection. See, it is called as open delta connection. Now I think all of you clear this concept, what is mean by VV connection and what is mean by open delta connection. Clear, no? Okay. See, consider a figure. Consider in that figure a 3-phase supply is connected to the primary winding. In that there is a 3-phase supply, it can be connected in the primary winding. So this one is the primary winding of the transformer. The transformer ची primary winding आहे. This one is the primary side, this one is the secondary side. This one is the primary side, this one is the secondary side. And again a 3-phase bank is there. हा जो काय third one होता तो इथं असेल, third one transformer, but it is open circuited so that we cannot draw here diagram. See, the 3-phase supply it can be connected to this winding. या winding ला 3-phase supply connect केलेला आहे to the primary of the transformer. At the secondary side, at the secondary side, 3 equal 3-phase voltage, that means there are equal 3-phase voltage will be available on the load side. Load side ला जे voltage available होईल, so this is a equal 3-phase voltage it will be available. So the voltage are shown in this phasor diagram. या phasor diagram मध्ये voltage दाखवलेलं आहे बघा. Voltage due to R phase, voltage due to another one phase like B phase, and voltage due to Y phase. In that one winding it is open circuited. एक winding open circuit झालेलं आहे किंवा ती burn झालेलं आहे. So there is a open circuited terminal we can kept here, and in that open circuited terminal similarly the primary and secondary one transformer it may be removed. Meaning of that एक transformer त्याच्यामधला 3 single phase transformer मधला एक transformer काय झालेलं आहे remove झालेलं. So it will make a open delta connection. It will make as a open delta connection. So see, the connection is used when 3-phase load is very small to warrant the installation of full 3-phase transformation. Okay, so see this connection it can be used where the load on such a transformer it is small. We are not able to using this connection where the load on the transformer it is more. ज्यावेळेस ट्रान्सफॉर्मरचा लोड मोर असेल त्या कंडिशन मध्ये आपण यूज करू शकत नाही. That means suppose 100 kVA transformer is there, 100 kVA transformer is there, and load on that transformer it is somewhat 95 kVA load, or it may be 100 kVA totally full load. That condition we are not able to use, but we are able to use where load on the transformer it is small. So suppose 100 kVA transformer is there and load on the transformer it is nearly about 60 kVA, or it may be a 50 kVA, up to 50 kVA, or it may be 60 kVA. We are able to use these types of connection, that is delta connection, and any one of the bank or any one of the transformer it is burned. Remaining 2 transformer are able to continue the supply. That means continuity of supply it can be maintained by reduced efficiency. Okay, efficiency reduced. Okay, see, this is the connection, how it can be connected. We will discuss that. See, this is the delta connection. At that situation, see here in this bank there delta connection. In that delta connection, one of the transformer it will be fails to operate. One of the transformer it will be fails to operate दॅट मीन्स याच्यामधला एखादा ट्रान्सफॉर्मर ऑपरेट व्हायचा फेल झाली. सी, this is the primary of the transformer, it can be connected in the delta. Secondary of the transformer, it can be connected in delta. At that situation, any one of the winding, it can be open circuited or it may be burr. Remaining two winding, or it may be remaining two single phase transformer, it will carry the load or it will maintain the continuity of the supply. See, इथं दाखवलेलं बघा primary side and here it is secondary side. This one is the primary side, this one is the secondary side. See, here it is R phase, Y phase and B phase. Voltage across these two is nothing but VRY. Then voltage across this is nothing but VYB, and the voltage across this is nothing but VRB. Okay. Similarly, on the secondary side, if it is the delta bank is there, then the voltage across these two phase, या दोन phase across the voltage, again here R, Y and B, that is VR or it may be VRY, then VYB, and another voltage is nothing but total, that is VYB, right? No, see, consider this winding or this transformer, it may get replaced. एखादा वाइंडिंग किंवा एखादा ट्रान्सफॉर्मर रिप्लेस केले, किंवा आपण मेंटेनन्स साठी पण एखादा सिंगल फेज ट्रान्सफॉर्मर रिप्लेस करू शकतो, बट मेंटेनिंग कंटिन्युटी ऑफ द सप्लाय. Alternatively, we can do like that. Suppose if 3 single phase transformer bank is there, one transformer taken for maintenance purpose in this month, then it is connected in the next month. Another one transformer, it can be taken out for a maintenance purpose. For similarly, next 3 transformer, it can be taken out for a maintenance purpose. Like that, we are able to make the continuity of the supply. See, when any one of the winding, it can be burned or it may be open circuited, or any one of the winding, it can be any one of the transformer, it can be taken out for the maintenance purpose. Then the connection, it will be like as a VV connection. This connection, it is nothing but V-shape connection or VV, and this connection, it is called as VV connection, or it may be open delta connection. त्याला आपण open delta connection म्हणतो. See, on the primary side, voltage occurs across these two terminal is nothing but VRY. Voltage across these two terminal is nothing but VYB, and the voltage across these two terminal is nothing but VRB. Similarly, the voltage, it will be obtained across these two terminal is nothing but VRY, VYB and VRB. Can anyone tell me if open circuited terminal is there? Open circuited terminal is there, whether there is a voltage is present across open circuited terminal or not? Voltage
present.
Put in the chat box. Across open circuited terminal, ते दोन टर्मिनल ओपन सर्किटेड आहेत. त्या ओपन सर्किटेड टर्मिनलच्या अक्रॉस व्होल्टेज प्रेझेंट असेल की नाहीये? And what about voltage? Then what about current? Put in the chat box. No voltage, no current. Any other answer? Okay, voltage present, current absent. We have conducted open circuit test, no? What we have observed in case of open circuit test, in case of transformer, current किती होता open circuit test conduct करताना secondary side चा?
0.
No current. बरोबर ना? कन्सेप्ट लक्षात घ्या. दोन वायर आहेत, त्या ओपन आहेत दोन्हीच्या मध्ये. Whether there is a current, it will be flowing.
No, sir.
That means in case of open circuited terminal, there is a no current flowing from that open circuited terminal. That is current, it will be 0. आपण ट्रान्सफॉर्मर नो लोड कंडिशनचं बघितलं. ट्रान्सफॉर्मरची ओपन सर्किट, that is OCSC टेस्ट बघितली. Okay. See, in case of open circuited terminal, the current it will be 0, but somewhat voltage it will be present across that terminal. त्या दोन ओपन सर्किटेड टर्मिनलच्या अक्रॉस काहीतरी व्होल्टेज काय असतं, प्रेझेंट असतं. बघा आपण ओपन सर्किट टेस्ट और ओसी टेस्ट कंडक्ट करताना आपण सेकंडरी साइडला व्होल्टमीटर कनेक्ट केला होता, राइट नो. सो वी हॅव कनेक्टेड व्होल्टमीटर. दॅट मीन्स ड्यू टू प्रायमरी फ्लक्स there is a sum of the flux it will be induces in the secondary side. There will be some of the flux it will be links with that of secondary side. Due to that flux linking there is a some induced EMF it will be present on the secondary side. That means in case of open circuited terminal there is a voltage it will be present. What about in short circuited terminal? दोन टर्मिनल शॉर्ट सर्किट झाले.
Current is present.
In case of short circuited terminal, current it will be present. That means current flowing from short circuited terminal. बघा आता हे दोन वायर आहेत, दोन्ही वायर शॉर्ट केले, इकडून इकडे करंट फ्लो होईल ना. किंवा शॉर्ट सर्किटेड टर्मिनल असतील the current it will be start flowing. But rigid wire it can be connected to short circuit terminal, then voltage across that two terminal it is 0. There is a no voltage across these two terminal. Okay, so see, that means if open delta delta bank, if the terminals are open circuited, that means there are some of the voltage it will be present across this, त्याच्या across काहीतरी voltage present असेल. But due to that open circuited transformer, the current carrying by that transformer, म्हणजे तीन सिंगल फेज ट्रान्सफॉर्मर मधला एक ट्रान्सफॉर्मर काय झाला, रिमूव्ह झाला. तिन्ही मिळून सपोज जर 10 किलोवॅट लोड कॅरी करत असतील, तीन ट्रान्सफॉर्मर और इट विल कॅरी अ लोड ऑफ 10 kVA. It will carry a load of 10 kVA if all three transformer are connected. If any one of the transformer it will be taken for out of service or it may be open circuited, then remaining two transformer it will carry a load but somewhat less load as compared to bank. बँकला कंपेअर करता ते जे काही लोड कॅरी करतील हा लेस लोड असेल. ओके, हाऊ मच अमाउंट ऑफ लोड इट विल कॅरी, दॅट मीन्स इट विल कॅरी अ 57.7% ऑफ लोड or 57.7% of rated load. Okay, if any one of the bank or if any one of the transformer in three phase bank, if it is taken out of service or it may be if it is damaged or it may be it can be open circuited, remaining two transformer it will carry a load but less load as compared to three phase bank. That how much load? It will carry a near about 57.7% of load. किती लोड कॅरी करतील? 57.7% of load. So we will derive that next one. See, if any one of the transformer fails in delta delta bank, if it is required to continue the supply even though at reduced capacity, बघा मी पहिल्यांदा सांगितलं जर 100 kVA लोड असेल त्याच्यावरती, the transformer will not able to carry that 100 kVA. It will able to carry a 57.7% load or near about 60% load or it may be above 50% load. Okay, if we want to make the continuity of the supply, मला supply ची continuity maintain करायची आहे even though any one of the transformer it will be burn. तो ट्रान्सफॉर्मर बर्न झाला तरी मला काय करायचे, सप्लायची कंटिन्युटी मेंटेन करायची. इन दॅट रिजन I want to maintain the supply continuity. At that situation capacity is reduced, that means capacity it will be obtained near about 58% and also the efficiency it will also get reduced. त्याची efficiency पण काय होते, reduce होते. Okay, see capacity until the transformer which is removed from the bank is repaired or new one is installed. म्हणजे जोपर्यंत ट्रान्सफॉर्मर रिपेअर होत नाही मेंटेनन्स पर्पज साठी घेतलेला, और वेदर आय वॉन्ट टू इन्स्टॉल एनी वन ऑफ द न्यू ट्रान्सफॉर्मर ऍट दॅट प्लेस, त्या प्लेसला मला एखादा नवीन ट्रान्सफॉर्मर इन्स्टॉल करायचा आहे किंवा एक ट्रान्सफॉर्मर जो काही मी रिमूव्ह केलेला आहे तो रिपेअर होईपर्यंत मला कंटिन्युटी ऑफ सप्लाय ठेवायचे. ऍट दॅट सिच्युएशन आय एम एबल टू यूज दिस टाइप्स ऑफ कनेक्शन. त्यावेळेस मी हे कनेक्शन काय करू शकतो, यूज करू शकतो. Getting? So this is the better advantages, or it may be it is the application of this VV connection. Here we want to maintain the continuity of supply. आपल्याला सप्लायची कंटिन्युटी मेंटेन करायचे. If in a 3 single phase transformer bank any one of the transformer it will be burn. एखादा ट्रान्सफॉर्मर काय झाला, बर्न झाला, तरी पण मला सप्लायची कंटिन्युटी मेंटेन करायचे. Not for long time, but up to repairing of that transformer or up to new installation of that transformer. So at that situation this connection is suitable. See, where it is anticipated that in the future the load increases, then it requires closing of open delta. Okay, so obviously the condition it will be that if the load increases, suppose we are taking maintenance purpose any one of the transformer, 3 single phase transformer bank मधला एक transformer maintenance साठी घेतलेला आहे, and we are maintaining continuity of the supply, having and reduced efficiency and the reduced capacity, suppose near about 58% capacity. If this capacity it will be increasing, then it is not suitable. We want to connect this third one transformer. हा जो काही तिसरा ट्रान्सफॉर्मर आहे तो आपल्याला काय करावा लागेल, कनेक्ट करावा लागेल. दॅट मीन्स वी वॉन्ट टू क्लोज दिस ओपन डेल्टा. जो ओपन केलेला डेल्टा आहे किंवा ओपन झालेला डेल्टा आहे तो क्लोज करणं गरजेचं आहे. इन सच अ केस open delta connection is preferred. In such a case the open delta connection it can be preferred. Open or delta connection it can be preferred. It can be noted here the removal of one transformer, removal of one transformer will not give the total load carried by VV bank as 2/3 of the capacity of delta bank. See the sentence, it can be noted here that the removal of one transformer will not give the total load. जो रिमूव्ह केलेला ट्रान्सफॉर्मर असल्यामुळे राहिलेले ट्रान्सफॉर्मर will not give the total load carried by VV transformer, or it is not able to carry a total load at the closed delta system. In open delta system it will carry a near about 57% or 2/3 of the capacity of the delta bank. delta bank ची 2/3 capacity तो carry करू शकत नाही. So near about it will carry a 60 to 70%. Okay, the load that can be carried by VV bank is only 57.7% of it. Load जो काय carry केला जाईल, that means VV bank it will carry a load near about 57.7%. 57.7% load it can be carried by a VV bank or VV transformer. Okay, so that it is suitable. Here the less load on the transformer is there, or very less load, that is near about 60% load it will be present on that capacity transformer. At that situation we are able to do that type of connection. या टाइपचं कनेक्शन आपण काय करू शकतो, यूज करू शकतो. That means it is very useful. Here we want to make the continuity of the supply, we want to make the continuity of the supply, and we want to make the continuity of the supply having an reduced capacity, also having an reduced efficiency. Now how it will carry a 57.7% load, we will give the proof for that. That means we will derive that condition that it will carry a 57.7% load. तो 57.7% load carry करतोय, याची जी काय कंडिशन असेल we will derive that condition. Okay, we will derive this one condition. Okay, see in above figure, that is open delta connected figure, do you know that the power formula in case of delta system, delta system मधला power formula सांगा. Suppose initially the transformer it is connected in delta, both the transformer it can be connected in delta. What is the formula for power? पॉवरचा फॉर्म्युला काय आहे, पॉवरचा फॉर्म्युला Formula for power it is same. Powerचा formula same आहे. When formula for power it can be same. Either it may be connected in delta or it may be connected in star. स्टार मध्ये कनेक्शन केलं तरी पॉवरचा फॉर्म्युला सेम येतो. डेल्टा मध्ये कनेक्ट केलं तरी पॉवरचा फॉर्म्युला सेम येतो. माहितीये का तुम्हाला? नाही. Okay, see, power formula for power is nothing but V into I. Suppose we want to calculate the phase power. मला phase ची power काय करायची? Calculate करायची. So do you know that power in the first phase, suppose it is nothing but VPH into IPH. VPH into IPH. Plus power into second phase, it is nothing but VPH into IPH. Similarly, power into third phase is nothing but VPH into IPH. म्हणजे phase current and phase voltage. Similarly, तिन्ही phase चा phase current, phase voltage. According to this, we are representing the power formula, that is 3 VPH into IPH. Right? No, 3 VPH into IPH. Suppose the system it can be delta connected. Delta connected system आहे. Tell me the relation between VL and VPH. लाइन व्होल्टेज आणि फेज व्होल्टेजचं रिलेशन काय डेल्टा मध्ये? डेल्टा मध्ये रिलेशन काय? डायग्राम काढावी लागेल का?
VL equal to IPH.
झालंय तुम्हाला फर्स्ट इयरला. सी लाइन voltage and phase voltage relation between delta system. Suppose this is the line voltage VL, again this is nothing but VL, and या दोन्ही टर्मिनल मधला VL हे झालं लाइन voltage. This is the phase voltage VPH, this one is the phase voltage VPH, this one is the phase voltage VPH. Right? No, what is the relation between VL and VPH in case of delta?
VL equal to VPH.
चार्ट मध्ये रिस्पॉन्ड करा. हाँ, roll number 1 is given, VL is equals to VPH. I think you people know that is line voltage, it is equals to phase voltage in case of delta. Relation माहित असतील तुम्हाला, that is VL is equals to VPH. VL it is equals to VPH in case of delta. In case of delta, VL is equals to VPH, and in case of delta, IL is equals to काय असतं √3 IPH. Right? No.
Yes.
Similarly, in case of star, VL is equals to √3 VPH असतं relation, and IL is equals to IPH असेल. That means phase current and line current in star system it will be same. See, I will tell regarding diagram. So suppose this is the star connected system. This one is the star connected. याच्यामधून फ्लो होणारा करंट इज नथिंग बट IL, आणि या फेज मधून फ्लो होणारा करंट इज नथिंग बट IPH. Whether in series connection, whether it is same or different? Same. That means IL is equals to IPH in case of star. आणि VL म्हणजे या दोन फेज मधलं व्होल्टेज असेल हे VL, त्यावेळेस ही पण वाइंडिंग येते आणि ही पण वाइंडिंग येते. आणि इन केस ऑफ फेज व्होल्टेज म्हणजे या फेज मधलं व्होल्टेज VPH, या फेज मधलं व्होल्टेज VPH. सो याचं रिलेशन असतं VL is equals to √3 VPH. Okay, so according to this, power formula for either connected in star or either connected in delta, it will be same, that is √3 VLIL, or we can represent 3 VPH into IPH. 3 VPH into IPH असेल. जर आपण इथं व्हॅल्यू पुट केली, suppose if I say that it is connected in delta, in case of delta it is 3 VL instead of VPH. I have put it here VL, and if I put here IPH as it is, then it will be like as a 3 VL IPH. If I put instead of IPH, I will use here IL. जर मी IL यूज केलं, काय फॉर्म्युला IPH च्या फॉर्म मध्ये? IL is equals to √3 IPH. That means IPH is equals to IPH. It is equals to IL divided by √3. If we put here, that is, it is equals to 3 VL into IL divided by √3. √3 and याच्यामधला एक √3 get cancel. So remaining term, it is nothing but √3 VL IL. So like that. In case of star, it will be same √3 VL IL. Okay, √3 VL IL. See, here we have derived the delta delta connection power. Delta delta connected ची power आपण derive केली आहे. In delta delta capacity, in case of delta delta capacity, do you know that the formula for power is nothing but √3 VL IL? √3 VL IL. In case of delta, IL is equals to √3 IPH. So we have put it here, instead of IL, we have put it here IPH. So power supplied to the top load in case of delta delta capacity is nothing but 3 VL into IPH. Instead of √3 VL IL, √3 and √3 multiplication, it become 3. That is 3 VL IPH. Okay. So this power or that much amount of power, it can be fed when it is connected in delta. ज्यावेळेस डेल्टा मध्ये कनेक्ट केलेलं आहे त्यावेळेस it will able to fed the power 3 VL into IPH. 3 VL into IPH. Now, when it is connected in VV connection or any one of the transformer, it can be connected. Any one of the transformer, it can be taken out for maintenance purpose, or it can be taken out for a maintenance, or it is burst, or it may be it is open circuited. At that situation, connection it will be make as a VV or open delta. It can also be noted from the figure वरून लक्षात येईल. VV connection that the secondary line current IL is equal to the phase current IPH. See here. याच्यामधला सेकंडरी साइडचा जो काय डेल्टा आहे बघा, ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टँड दिस डिफरन्स. हे प्रायमरी साइडचा टर्मिनल आहे प्रायमरी ट्रान्सफॉर्मरचं. ओके, सी दिस इज द प्रायमरी डेल्टा अँड दिस डेल्टा बँक मधला एक ट्रान्सफॉर्मर काय झालेलं आहे, ओपन झालं. म्हणजे हे काय झालं, ओपन सर्किट झालं. राईट नो. सी सपोज याच्यामधून फ्लो होणारा करंट IR आहे. दिस वन इज द करंट फ्लोइंग फ्रॉम दिस इज नथिंग बट IR. Current flowing from this is nothing but IY, and current flowing from this is nothing but IB. Voltage across this you people know. Similarly, in the secondary side, here it is delta connection is there, and this transformer it can be replaced. एक single phase transformer replace केलेला आहे maintenance purpose साठी. So हे connection VV झालं. See, the current flowing through the load curve flow होणारा जो काय current आहे, suppose this is current flowing from load is nothing but IR. Whether this current is same to that of phase current or different. Why different? Why? See, understood? जर ही वाइंडिंग इथं प्रेझेंट आहे, या दोन वाइंडिंग मधून फ्लो होणारा करंट म्हणजे या लाईन मधून फ्लो होणारा करंट ज्यावेळेस कनेक्टेड असेल त्यावेळेस. नाव हिअर नॉट कनेक्टेड, नो, दॅट मीन्स वाइंडिंग इट इज ओपन सर्किटेड. बघा लक्षात येते का तुमच्या? See here. Now there is no connection. That means one winding it can be open circuited, or it may be one transformer it is open circuited. When one transformer it is open circuited, the current flowing from line and current flowing from phase, त्या फेज मधून किंवा त्या वाइंडिंग मधून, सपोज ही वाइंडिंग जर आपण कन्सिडर केली, सपोज इफ आय हॅव कन्सिडर दिस वाइंडिंग ऑफ वेदर इट इज आर फेज और वाय फेज, कन्सिडर करा या वाइंडिंग मधून फ्लो होणारा करंट आणि या लाईन मधून फ्लो होणारा करंट, वेदर इट इज सेम और डिफरंट.
सेम.
सेम और डिफरंट? ओके, रोल नंबर 1 सेम. सिरीज कनेक्शन ना, याच्यामधून जेवढा करंट फ्लो होईल, सपोज या फेज मधून 10 एम्पियर करंट फ्लो होत असेल, सिमिलर करंट इट विल बी फ्लोइंग फ्रॉम दिस लाइन, इट इज नथिंग बट 10 एम्पियर, because this there is a no dividation of current, or it may be no another terminal to flow the current. त्याच्यामधून करंट फ्लो व्हायला दुसरं टर्मिनल नाहीये किंवा कनेक्शनच नाहीये, सो दॅट इट इज कनेक्टेड इन सिरीज. सो इन केस ऑफ सिरीज IL इज इक्वल्स टू IPH, म्हणजे या लाईन मधून फ्लो होणारा करंट लाईन करंट झाला, फेज मधून फ्लो होणारा करंट फेज करंट झाला. सो IL इज इक्वल्स टू IPH. IL is equals to IPH. So similarly, see the other phases also. Current flowing from these two, this one is nothing but again same, याच्यामधून फ्लो होणारा करंट आणि याच्यामधून फ्लो होणारा करंट सेम असेल. ओके, अँड द करंट फ्लोइंग फ्रॉम अदर टर्मिनल, जे काय थर्ड टर्मिनल आहे लोडला कनेक्ट केलेलं, त्याच्यामधून फ्लो होणारा करंट इट इज नथिंग बट इनकमिंग करंट मायनस दिस आउटगोईंग करंट. त्या दोन वाइंडिंगचे जे काही करंट असतील त्याच्यामधलं जे काही सबस्ट्रॅक्शन असेल अकॉर्डिंग टू डिरेक्शन, वेदर इट इज सबस्ट्रॅक्शन or addition, so this difference between current it will be flow from third terminal. Suppose 10 ampere current flowing to this line in this direction, and 12 ampere current it will be flowing, or it may be 8 ampere current it will be flowing from in this direction. See, या कंडिशनला या पॉइंटला जर मी KCL यूज केला, सो KCL इनकमिंग इज इक्वल्स टू आउटगोइंग, आणि हा आउटगोइंग करंट आहे. सो सपोज इनकमिंग करंट 10 इट इज इक्वल्स टू 8 प्लस बी फेज मधून फ्लो होणारा करंट IB. इफ आय वांट टू कॅल्क्युलेट द IB it is equals to it is equals to 10 minus 8 is nothing but 2 ampere current it will be flowing from B phase. That means current capacity it will be reduces, or it may be capacity it will be reduces. See, I want to clear this concept. That means in the secondary side the line current it is equals to phase current. हे मला फक्त क्लिअर करायचं होतं डायग्राम वरून. See here, in case of VV connection, the secondary line current IL is equals to the phase current IPH. Secondary line current IL it is equals to phase current IPH. That means IL is equals to IPH. If I calculate the power drawn, in case of VV bank न फेड केलेली पॉवर किंवा ड्रॉ केलेली पॉवर we want to calculate. हे एक इक्वेशन आपण कॅल्क्युलेट केलेलं आहे पहिलं. Now see, do you know that the formula? See, this equation we have calculated in case of delta bank. delta ज्यावेळेस कनेक्टेड आहे त्यावेळेस आपण एक इक्वेशन कॅल्क्युलेट केलं आहे 3VL into IPH. If it is connected in VV, ज्यावेळेस ते VV मध्ये कनेक्ट केलेलं आहे, at that situation IL is equals to IPH आहे. So if we put this value in the power equation, √3 VL into IL it is equals to √3 VL. Instead of IL I will put IPH. IPH put करू शकतो का? Because IL is equals to IPH, so I will put here IPH. So that means the power output it will be obtained when it is connected in a VV. This is second one equation. So power when it is connected in VV bank, ज्यावेळेस ते VV bank मध्ये कनेक्ट केलेलं आहे त्यावेळेस कॅरी केलेली पॉवर जी असेल √3 VL into IPH. √3 VL into IPH. So see how much amount of power it will carry I want to calculate. So I will take the ratio of these two equation, or divide equation 2 by equation 1. So see, divide equation 2 by equation 1. So VV bank load carrying capacity divided by delta bank load carrying capacity it is equals to delta bank वरून काय फॉर्म्युला आलेला आहे आणि VV bank वरून काय फॉर्म्युला आलेला आहे. So take dividation of these two, it is nothing but √3 VL into IPH divided by 3 VL into IPH. This VL into IPH get cancel. याच्यामधला हा √3 आणि या 3 मधला √3 into √3, 1 √3 get cancel. Remaining term is nothing but 1 divided by root 3. 1 divided by root 3. See, VV bank or VV transformer capacity, it is equals to 1 upon root 3 times that of delta capacity. हा डेल्टा जो आहे डिनॉमिनेटरला तो राइट हँड साइडला शिफ्ट केला. इट इज नथिंग बट मल्टिप्लाय डेल्टा कॅपॅसिटी. So what is the meaning of that? VV, when the transformer it will connected in VV, then it will carry a load 1 upon root 3 times that of delta connected transformer carrying capacity. Okay. जर डेल्टा कनेक्टेड ट्रान्सफॉर्मर 100% लोड कॅरी करत असतील तर त्या 100% लोडच्या 1 अपॉन रूट 3 टाइम्स. व्हॉट इज मीन बाय 1 अपॉन रूट 3? व्हॅल्यू काय येते 1 अपॉन रूट 3 ची? 1 अपॉन रूट 3 ची व्हॅल्यू काय येते? 1 अपॉन 1.717. रूट 3 म्हणजे 1.171. So 1 divided by answer, it is nothing but
0.577.
किती? Okay, 0.57. If we multiply by 100, it is nothing but
58%.
so it will comes like as a 0.57. So it will becomes like as a 0.57. 0.577 येते है. So we can write 57.7%. It is nothing but it will carry a 58% of load. Okay. So that means डेल्टा कनेक्टेड बँक मधला एखादा ट्रान्सफॉर्मर जर बर्न झाला किंवा तो आपण मेंटेनन्स साठी रिमूव्ह केला, रिमेनिंग टू ट्रान्सफॉर्मर इट विल एबल टू कॅरी अ लोड, but the load carrying capacity it will be reduces and it is near about 58%. So this is the final conclusion of this when it is connected in open delta or VV connection. And this connection it is suitable where the continuity of the supply it will be maintained. जिथं आपल्याला सप्लायची कंटिन्युटी मेंटेन करणं गरजेचंच आहे त्या कंडिशन मध्ये एखादा सिंगल फेज ट्रान्सफॉर्मर जर बर्न झाला तर आपण हे कनेक्शन सुटेबल आहे और सुटेबली यूज करू शकतो. गेटिंग? सो दिस इज नथिंग बट VV connection. This is nothing but VV connection, or we can call it as a open delta connection. So in case of open delta connection, we are able to carry the load capacity. It is near about 57.7% or 58%. 57.7% or it nothing but 58%. So see, thus the three-phase load that can be carried without exceeding the rating of transformer is 57.7% or it may be 57.5% of the original load. Original load जो आहे त्याच्या 58% or 57% लोड काय करू शकतो आपण कॅरी करू शकतो. म्हणजे डेल्टा ट्रान्सफॉर्मर जर डेल्टा ट्रान्सफॉर्मर इफ इट इज कॅरिंग 100% लोड, तो जर 100% लोड कॅरी करत असेल तर VV बँक जर कनेक्शन आपण यूज केलं इट विल कॅरी अ लोड ऑफ 58%. ओके, दिस कनेक्शन इट इज सुटेबल. हे आपण कनेक्शन यूज करू शकतो. देयर इज अ इम्पॉर्टन्स ऑफ कंटिन्युटी ऑफ सप्लाय. जिथं सप्लायच्या कंटिन्युटी इम्पॉर्टन्स आहे, not important the load or it may be not important the efficiency, but continuity of the supply it is important. At that situation we are able to use these types of connection. Hence it is not a 66.7% which was expected otherwise. Okay, so हे जे काही load carrying capacity आहे, this is the 57.7%. it is not a 66%. that means it is 66% is nothing but 2/3, no? 2/3, no? So not expected, we are 2/3 we are obtained by deriving it is nothing but 57.7% or 58%. So see, according to this we are able to calculate the reduction in rating. रेटिंग मध्ये पण किती रिडक्शन करायला पाहिजे त्याचं कॅल्क्युलेशन करू शकतो. सो वी आर एक्सपेक्टेड 66.67 but we are obtained 57.735 divide by 57.735 then we get 15.476 15.476 we want to reduce the rating. त्याचं जे काय रेटिंग आहे ते 15.47% काय करावं लागेल, रिडक्शन करावं लागेल किंवा रिड्यूस करावं. ओके, सो दिस इज द ओपन डेल्टा और VV connection, open delta or VV connection. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Give me reply immediately. All of you getting, no?
Yes, sir.
Just put a message. Okay, again this is the important point. हा जो काही point आहे important आहे as per the exam point of view. Always it is asked in the question paper and it is very simple. Again, according to this we are able to tell the advantages and disadvantages also. Advantages पण आपण सांगू शकतो किंवा disadvantages पण सांगू शकतो. Okay, so see, and derivation is simple. Just we want to calculate the power or the power formula in case of it is connected in delta delta and in case of it is connected in VV, and we are able to calculate the power and then we are able to calculate here capacity. Okay, so in this way we will conclude this today's lecture and we will stop here.